Welcome to SG Riders, a place where motorcycles are discussed in pure detail, without noise, without exaggeration, and without distraction. This video is a complete, uninterrupted deep dive into one of the most talked about motorcycles in the entry-level sport bike segment, the Yamaha R15 V4. This is not a quick overview. This is not a comparison. This is not hype. This is a full, technical, real-world explanation of the Yamaha R15 V4. Covering design, engineering, performance, comfort, daily usability, ownership experience, strengths, and limitations. Every section focuses only on the motorcycle itself. If detailed motorcycle knowledge matters, staying connected with SG Riders ensures access to in-depth, long-form content like this. Design philosophy and visual presence. The Yamaha R15 V4 follows a design philosophy inspired directly by Yamaha's global R-Series motorcycles. The bodywork is sharp, compact, and aggressively sculpted to prioritize aerodynamics. Every panel appears intentional, from the pointed front fairing to the tight rear section. The single bifunctional LED headlamp is positioned centrally, giving the motorcycle a focused and predatory look. The LED DRLs are placed high, enhancing road presence and visibility while maintaining the R-Series identity. The windscreen is slightly raised and angled to deflect air pressure at higher speeds, a feature usually reserved for larger displacement sport bikes. From the side, the fairing lines flow smoothly into the fuel tank, creating a seamless connection between the front and midsection. The fuel tank itself is muscular but narrow, allowing better knee grip and rider control. The tail section is slim and elevated, reinforcing the sport bike stance. Overall, the Yamaha R15 V4 does not attempt to look like a commuter motorcycle. It is styled to resemble a race-inspired machine, scaled intelligently for the 150 cubic centimeters segment. Build quality and fit finish. Build quality is one of the strongest aspects of the Yamaha R15 V4. Panel gaps are tight and consistent, indicating high manufacturing precision. The paint finish is glossy and evenly applied, while decals are neatly integrated under clear coating for durability. The switchgear feels tactile and solid. Buttons have a firm press with defined feedback, and the handlebar controls reflect Yamaha's premium approach. The mirrors are stable at speed and provide clear rear visibility without excessive vibration. Foot pegs, brake levers, and clutch levers are well finished, with no sharp edges or loose components. The exposed metal parts show proper coating and corrosion resistance, suitable for long-term ownership. This level of fit and finish positions the R15 V4 closer to premium motorcycles rather than typical entry-level machines. Engine architecture and core engineering. At the heart of the Yamaha R15 V4 is a 155 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This engine uses a 4-valve configuration and is equipped with Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. The engine is designed to deliver a balance between low-end rideability and high RPM performance. VVA allows the engine to switch between two cam profiles depending on engine speed. At lower RPMs, the engine prioritizes fuel efficiency and smooth torque delivery. At higher RPMs, the aggressive cam profile activates, improving airflow and power output. The engine produces approximately 18.4 horsepower of peak power and around 14.2 Newton-meters of torque. These figures may appear modest on paper, but the delivery is refined, linear, and predictable. Liquid cooling ensures consistent performance during prolonged riding, heavy traffic conditions, and high ambient temperatures. Throttle response and power delivery. Throttle response on the Yamaha R15 V4 is smooth and controlled. Initial throttle input is progressive, allowing easy maneuvering in city traffic. There is no sudden jerk or abrupt power surge, making it manageable even for less experienced riders. As engine speed increases, the power delivery becomes more engaging. The VVA system activates at higher RPMs, resulting in a noticeable change in engine character. The motorcycle begins to pull harder, encouraging the rider to explore the upper rev range. This dual nature of calm low-speed behavior and energetic high RPM performance makes the R15 V4 versatile for both daily commuting and spirited riding. Transmission and quick shifter performance. The Yamaha R15 V4 is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox designed for smooth and precise gear changes. Gear ratios are closely spaced, helping the engine stay within its optimal power band. One of the standout features is the inclusion of a quick shifter. This system allows clutchless upshifts under acceleration, reducing shift time and maintaining momentum. Gear changes feel crisp, with minimal lag or hesitation. Downshifts remain conventional and require clutch input. Overall, the transmission setup enhances the sporty character of the motorcycle without compromising everyday usability. Exhaust note and refinement. The exhaust note of the Yamaha R15 V4 is refined rather than loud. At idle, the sound is calm and controlled. Under acceleration, the exhaust produces a sharp, sporty tone without becoming harsh. Engine vibrations are well managed. Minimal vibration is felt at the handlebars and foot pegs during city riding. At higher RPMs, slight vibration is present, but it remains within acceptable limits for a sport-oriented motorcycle. Refinement is a clear priority in this engine's tuning, ensuring long rides do not become fatiguing. Chassis and frame structure. The Yamaha R15 V4 is built around a delta box frame. This frame is engineered to provide rigidity while keeping weight low. The design enhances stability during cornering and maintains confidence at higher speeds. Weight distribution is balanced to support quick direction changes. The motorcycle feels planted while leaning, and feedback from the chassis is predictable, allowing precise control. The frame plays a major role in making the R15 V4 feel larger and more composed than its engine capacity suggests. Suspension setup and ride quality. The front suspension consists of upside-down telescopic forks, a premium feature in this segment. These forks improve front-end stability and provide better feedback during braking and cornering. The rear suspension uses a link-type monocross unit tuned for a balance between comfort and sportiness. On smooth roads, the ride quality is firm yet controlled. On uneven surfaces, the suspension absorbs bumps reasonably well, though sharp potholes can be felt due to the sporty setup. This suspension configuration favors handling precision over plush comfort, aligning with the motorcycle's performance-focused nature. Braking system and safety. Braking duties are handled by disc brakes at both ends. The braking system is supported by dual-channel ABS, ensuring controlled braking and preventing wheel lockup under hard stops. Front brake bite is progressive and confidence-inspiring. The rear brake provides adequate stopping power and stability during low-speed maneuvers. The braking system complements the chassis and suspension, creating a well-balanced and safe riding experience. Electronics and rider aids. The Yamaha R15 V4 is equipped with traction control, a rare feature in this segment. This system monitors rear wheel slip and intervenes when excessive traction loss is detected, improving safety on slippery surfaces. The digital instrument cluster displays speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, trip data, and additional information. The layout is clean and readable, even under direct sunlight. These electronic features elevate the R15 V4 beyond basic entry-level motorcycles. Riding ergonomics and seating position. The riding posture of the Yamaha R15 V4 is sporty but not extreme. Clip-on handlebars are positioned low, encouraging a forward-leaning stance. Foot pegs are rear set, promoting an engaged riding position. For city riding, this posture is manageable for moderate durations. On highways, the posture helps reduce wind resistance and improves control at speed. Seat cushioning is firm but supportive. The rider seat is sculpted to offer grip during acceleration and braking, while the pillion seat is compact and best suited for short rides. Fuel efficiency and practical range. Fuel efficiency is one of the strengths of the Yamaha R15 V4. In real-world riding conditions, mileage figures typically range between 40 to 45 km per liter, depending on riding style and traffic conditions. The fuel tank capacity provides a practical riding range suitable for daily commuting and weekend rides without frequent refueling stops. Daily usability and ownership perspective. In daily use, the Yamaha R15 V4 behaves predictably and reliably. Cold starts are smooth, and engine heat management is effective. Clutch operation is light, reducing fatigue in stop-and-go traffic. Maintenance requirements are reasonable for a performance-oriented motorcycle. Yamaha's service network and reputation for reliability add confidence to long-term ownership.